We have two major types of wells: high-pressure wells and low-pressure wells. A low-pressure crude oil well is a well that has run out of natural energy, so we must use pumps or gas to lift the oil to the surface instead of it flowing on its own. How do we make a low-pressure oil well flow again? We use something called gas lift. We inject methane gas at about 200 bar pressure into the well. The gas pushes the oil up to the surface. Methane gas versus normal cooking gas, simple difference. What they are? Methane gas, CH4. This is natural gas. Main component of what comes from the ground/wells. Normal cooking gas, LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. Mainly propane plus butane. Methane is CH4 from the ground used at high pressure, but cooking gas is LPG, propane and butane, stored as liquid in cylinders.